The intent of this video is to invigorate interest in designing and building safe, functional, and inexpensive vehicles to facilitate wheelchair users' access to their yards and gardens. The key attributes we are looking for are safety, easy access in and out of the vehicle, ergonomic and efficient force application to the traction wheels, extended terrain mobility, yard work and gardening functionality, worldwide materials availability, common construction techniques, multiple accessories, and a cost target of $100 with used materials excluding labor. As you can see, this prototype design uses two common bicycles, a swivel seat, metal pipe framework, and common construction techniques to build this simple, low-cost assistive wheelchair tractor. Some of the accessories you can customize your handy tractor with are sunshade, tool rack, tool or plant carrying box, leaf bag, cultivator and furrow implements, tow cart, torque extenders, electric power assist, and even a cup holder. We welcome your comments and suggestions to improve this design and encourage you to enlighten us on your design. If you would like additional information to build your own handy tractor, or you wish to help with this project, please comment to this video. Thank you for interest in this project. This demonstrates easy ground level access. This demonstrates the use of common gardening equipment to reach those hard to get places. This is the cultivator attachment. Other attachments can be added to the toolbar. This shows you the sunshade attachment, and in the multi-speed bike, reverse is accomplished by turning the wheels backwards. This is a demonstration of the brakes. This is a demonstration of the multi-gear drive. Torque can be improved by extending the arms or changing the gears. This demonstrates your ground reach. This demonstrates the ground reach of a standard wheelchair. This demonstrates the ground reach using standard gardening tools. The tractor can also be pushed with the conveniently located handles. This demonstrates how to get back into your wheelchair from the handy tractor using the integrated transfer seat. Simpler and less expensive single-speed bikes can also be used with ratchet drives and gear modifications. These are some of the features, improvements you can help with, and materials used to make this handy tractor. We welcome your input and support to improve the access to wheelchair-bound individuals to their yards and gardens. For additional information, please comment to this video.